Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to upload file to AWS S3 using .NET Core Web API. So this is my request, and here you can see I'm sending some file input as a parameter. This file is on my local computer, and here I am also sending some other data as well, just for just to let you know that it is possible to send some other JSON data along with your file data. If you don't require it, you can just remove it from your code as well. I will show you how to remove it from your code. So some JSON data, and as you can see inside message I'm getting this my file. I'm not really doing anything with this input, but just wanted to show you how you can use some other input along with your file as well. And I get a pre-signed URL for my uploaded image. I can't show you that pre-signed URL because it contains my bucket name, that's why. Otherwise, yeah, if you try this on your own, it will work for you. So first, as usual, you will have to create a .NET Web API project. Once you do that, you will have to add this .NET package. Now you can check this, like I'm adding AWS SDK S3, and you can check this version. Like at the time of you watching this video, this version might be higher, so you can just go to NuGet and check this version. Just add this to your project. Next, inside program.cs file, first you will have to add your API key, your secret key from AWS. And here I have added a course, I have added the controllers, and here we are initializing our Amazon S3 client. So I'm passing the access key, secret key as well. And here you will have to set what region you are using this bucket for. And here I have just added our singleton Amazon S3 client. And here, as you can see, I have again added this course thing, and here you will have to add this map controllers thing as well. So yeah, and if you want, you can remove this weather forecast stuff as well. We don't really need this. Next, inside sample controller, I have created a route called API/file, and it takes an S3 client, and it is a read-only S3 client. And I have created an HTTP post, and here we are passing the file. Now this is for passing that extra JSON data. If you don't want it, you can just remove this input. And here I am just checking if file is not equal to null. If it is equal to null, or if its length is equal to 0, then I am saying file not selected. Otherwise I am using memory stream and copying it asynchronously. Then I am doing put object request. This should be your bucket name, then key is file.file name, and here I am using memory stream and passing the content type as well, and then calling put object async. Now the next thing which you will have to do is, for getting the pre-signed URL, is call this get pre-signed URL request, pass your bucket name, pass your file name as well. And also you will have to add this expires. So here it is 60 minutes, like how long till the pre-signed URL remains valid. Pre-signed URL is basically the URL of your uploaded object, but it is protected. Like anyone can access it. If you just paste it inside the browser in a new tab, you should be able to access it. It does not require any authentication as such. And protocol is HTTPS. And here is how you get the pre-signed URL after generating your URL request by calling the get pre-signed URL method. And here I'm just constructing our response. So some data, which is this, and this is our pre-signed URL, and I'm sending it back to the user. In case of exception, I'm just returning status code 500 and a message. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.